for your better life, for your healthy life, for your happy life. You need a lot of things. But have you ever thought about where the ingredients are coming from? Many things may contain ingredients made from bird feathers, broken down by acid chemicals. But don't worry, you have Aminature from natural fermentation technology. If you are vegan, if you care about the origin of what goes into your body, if you want to make the planet more sustainable, choose Aminature, vegan amino acid from nature.